Hello everyone and welcome to our another tutorial, and this time about me section. Yes. I'm Marie, the founder and CEO of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look at the really important section in your LinkedIn profile, and it's about section, which you can find when you go on your profile and you scroll down a bit. Here is your about section. So what you want to do here, you want to make it eye-catching. So you can see here that I used the first 4 lines that are visible on your profile, and you want to use it in your favor. So you want to encourage a person to actually see more. Of course, the CTA button is very clear, and you want to give people much more content to read about you. It should be authentic, it should not be AI generated, and you want to use as many keywords as possible. Why? Because this can actually play in your favor of the search engine optimization, because LinkedIn is actually pushing the headline but also the about section. So you want to include here as many keywords in your narrative as possible, while also being authentic and tell a really story about yourself, not just the CV kind of style about you, which you might be used to. So here you want to really tell people who you are and what you do. Also pay attention in your grammar, because people are really reading it. So read it after yourself, pay attention to grammar mistake, and you can also make your about you section in other languages, and this can be done here. So I, for example, have my profile in 2 languages, in English and also in Czech. So you can also make about you section in another language. So this is also available for you by clicking on that button to actually edit. So here, if I go to edit, you can see that I can edit in both languages. Also, long paragraphs are no longer in fashion, unfortunately. Now, what is in fashion is usually 1 sentence per 1 line. And to tell more, you can also put 3-4 lines in case that you are telling a narrative, some paragraph. This is mainly for people to read really quickly, because the attention span is decreasing nowadays. So what people usually do, if it's like 1 sentence per line, they just skim through it. Just by going quickly through, they already have an idea what you are doing and who you actually are. You want to also make it professional yet personal. So why? Because you want to also be human. Usually people, they do a mistake that they are staying only professional on LinkedIn. However, people are the most interested. How do you like your coffee? Do you like it with milk or sugar? I mean, we are still on social media, right? It's interactive CV. It's also an addition to your email, but still it's social media. It starts from the word social, so you should pay an attention to it and really use it in your favor and tell people more about your lifestyle, but still keep the professionality. And the last but not least is also showcasing your achievements. In about section, it's the time when you can actually tell people about your biggest achievements and how did you achieve them. You can tell them the story. It's the highlight of the whole platform. So use it in your favor, and I will definitely see you in the next episode. In case that you want to check more, follow me on LinkedIn. Here is the link, Marie Zametsnikova in the LinkedIn. And also you can visit my website, marieolivier.com, and go to the articles section where you can find more tutorials like these, which are supported by the written text but also the video. And we are adding them every weekday. So definitely check it out, and I will see you next time. Bye.